This is a Singer Model 127 vibrating shuttle sewing machine from the year 1918, which makes it 102 years old as of this filming. And I have most of the lights turned off in here just to show that the light that's on it is working. This wiring on this thing is very sketchy and needs to be repaired or replaced, and the machine's going to need to be cleaned up and oiled and everything. But in any event, I thought I would film this thing's first startup and run since I've owned it. My wife gave it to me for Christmas. This is the controller with it, presumably the original one. It's a little bit different from Singer controllers on later machines like my 185K, but it too is a double stack carbon pile. The Singer seemed to like carbon pile controllers as opposed to the wire wound resistive type. And so I'm going to reach down here and mush on this thing, and we'll see what happens. Okay, it is struggling, and it is making strange scraping noises. So I am going to assume, shut it off, I'm going to assume that at the very least it needs to be cleaned up and oiled, and the motor itself may need some cleaning out as well. There is the sketchy wiring on the backside. Rather dangerous. Don't do this at home, folks. Yeah, wrong direction. There it is. Let me mush on the pedal again. I moved it over there. Okay. Here we go. It's also remotely possible that there's a problem with the controller, but most likely not. Okay, I'm going to unplug this thing before doing anything further, before something arcs. Just a quick look on the inside, on the underside. It's all looking in pretty good shape. I'm going to revitalize this base. It also has a top which I am most likely going to do away with, and I'm thinking of recovering this base, and that way I can display it on a shelf and not have it all covered up. But that wiring has got to be replaced. I noticed a couple of other cracks in the cord elsewhere. It is shot. It's no good. It's kaput. So no more energy is going to flow through this particular wiring until I've been able to replace it. Lastly, the thread that's on it was on it when we purchased the machine at the thrift store. It's probably been there for decades. A extra shuttle. There's one in the carrier itself, and this extra one here. Fortunately, this machine uses the exact same bobbins, albeit in a different shuttle, but the bobbins will also fit my national vibrating shuttle machines. There's a pair of 15x1 needles that are bent to hell. Not sure what that's all about. And this base is rather interesting, actually. You know, it's definitely a universal fit base because it's got a hole drilled in it there for wiring. And then it's got a little opening there for goddess knows why, but it looks like it was originally there. So it's definitely a universal fit cabinet that was not supplied by Singer, which was pretty much par for the course back in the day.